Did he give a perfect example in blessing those who curse him? The followers of Christ in the early church, such as Stephen, did Stephen manifest this perfection? When he was stoned to death, what was his prayer? Cast their sins upon me. Forgive them, for they do not know what they're doing. Was that perfect? Stephen was made perfect in his righteousness. And so are you, and so as me, if we accept and embrace his teaching. That's the perfection. And then you will be enlightened. As Stephen was shining the glory of God. Was there fire in Stephen's life and death? Was he heaping coals of fire among them? Did Paul experience the heaping coals of fire in his head? When his evil was repaid with good. When he shouted, stone him, and he heard the prayer of Stephen, Father, forgive them. This is what you call pray for them which despitefully use you and persecute you. And that's the perfection God wants us to achieve.